We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, continuing to fight and hold support and test key resistance levels. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot at 12:30 p.m. sent out a bull indicator, and you could see it popping up there within our Discord. The last notification that was sent out, it still hasn't gone canceled. Within the volatility, it is holding strong, and it popped up at around the 577 level, and it's lasted so far up here upwards above 581. Full transition on 42 vision, and inflow started to pick up from that moment forward, and within an hour, call options went up 200% plus. And if you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well to get equipped and gain the edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. Also joining the community of members using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, and getting connected over to our 42 vision indicators, inflow versus outflow, and our bots. The link is down below in the description to gain the clarity and edge that you deserve. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, fighting and holding support. We're seeing a full transition here from white with red borders to bright green bars, and we're going to break down all the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Tesla. It sent out a bull indicator since the pre-market, and it sent it directly to our Discord at the 7:45 a.m. mark. And from that moment forward, there was a tight consolidation, a strong support above 380 going into the open, and it was followed by another bull indicator on a larger time frame. So even double confirmation throughout the volatility on the 30-minute, popping up here at 385 and lasting all day and hitting highs up here so far of 405. And you could see it here in the charts. This has not gotten canceled. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, once again, the link is down below in the description, and call options went up over 150% plus within hours, guys. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So when we pull up the SPY here, we can see a full transition after hitting multiple dip areas and breaking through key support levels that we've talked about, such as 580, 585, and coming down here all the way down to 575 and rushing right back up and doing a full transition in one day, right on the 30-minute from white with red borders to bright green bars. Definitely something to not ignore here. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, back under a bull indicator for the first time since the bear indicator on the 30-minute chart since 597. You can see that double rejection there on the chart, continuing the weakness, trying to hold support here above 585. We broke that down in previous videos, broke right through it, and came all the way down below 580, hitting lows down here of 575.07 in the pre-market and finding support there today. And now we're back under a bull indicator since the 577 level, and we're back above 581, something to not ignore. But when we zoom out, right, and we look at this from the bigger picture, this is where we talked about all these supports, and any pullback up on the 30-minute wouldn't be justified. And even this bull indicator can't be justified until we see larger time frames like the 4-hour back under bull indicators, right? We've seen bull indicators pop up and they've lasted for several days and hours here on the 4-hour, but a bear indicator has been dominating since Friday at the 588 level. And even though we're coming back up, this needs to be canceled, right? If this does not get canceled, it could continue the volatility of any rejection of resistance and bring it back down to test key support levels. And above the 4-hour comes the 1-day, guys. We've talked about and watched this. We could see the example here when a bull indicator is strong and this pullback is irrelevant for as long as a bear indicator does not pop up and a support is found. And that's exactly why momentum continued, and it wasn't justifiable, right? The weakness was not strong enough. This bull indicator continued to dominate. Well, same thing has happened here on the pushback. Every time it pulled downwards and it would try to bounce back up, the last 2 times it would find and hit resistance levels, and no bull indicators popped up to cancel this, which means in the bigger picture, within the volatility, we've tried to pull back up and bull indicators have popped up, but support levels keep on getting tested and even broken through because this bear indicator has been dominating since the 606 level, and we've been watching it. And this is what I've been watching very closely here on 42 Vision, and it allows us to see when moves are justifiable. There's no justification on any bounce back up if no bull indicator has popped up here and we don't have multiple confirmations extending up towards the 1-day chart. The 4-hour has shown us bull indicators, but quickly gets canceled. Then you zoom in and look at it from the 1-hour, and a bull indicator is popping up here, but has not confirmed. There's still 44 minutes to go. So in today's aftermarket hours and going into tomorrow, I will be watching for this, and I will be seeing if it can roll over into the 4-hour and get a bull indicator in the process. But the bigger picture is the 1-day, and that's something to not ignore. Now, what's the first key level I'll be watching? Well, the first support is 575, where we bounce from. If that gets broken through, then I'll be watching 573, and then comes 570. To the upside, I will be watching if this bull indicator can roll over into the 1-hour and 4-hour and continue strong. And the first resistance is 585. Then above that is 587, and then I'll be watching the 589 level. These are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and if you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description to our 42 Vision indicators. We look forward to having you join us, and let's make some money.